Hi and welcome to this last video about Apache Spark Shuffle Writers. And here I will demonstrate how unsafe Shuffle Writer behaves. And unlike two previous examples, I will use only two demo code because I bet that you know already a lot of the conditions where Apache Spark chooses one Shuffle Writer or another. So here I will have two test codes, and I will start with this, the first one, that will use the unsafe shuffle writer because the number of shuffle partitions is greater than the bypass merge threshold, and also because in the code we don't have any map site combined, so map site combined in the sense of old RDD API, because of course group by key in dataset abstraction will perform some partial aggregation on the mapper sites and send only this result to the final reduce step on the reducer's side. So as last time, I added some breakpoints in the code, and I will show you what happens here. So as you can see, this condition will be false because remember we have two shuffle partitions and this threshold is equal to 1. And now we are checking whether we can use the unsafe shuffle writer or not. And you can see that it depends on the serializer used by Apache Spark to transform the memory representation of the dataset to the bytes. And here we are using unsafe row serializer, which is the single one which always returns true to this relocation method. Two other available serializers are Java serializer here, which always returns false to this method. And we also have cryo serializer, which sometimes will return true, sometimes will return false. Everything depends on the something configuration. Yes, it's get auto reset configuration. So we can only relocate the objects with unsafe serializer, unsafe row serializer every time. And yeah, I will not bother you here with the implementation details, but they are put in the article which is linked in the description of this video. Anyway, let's continue. And as you can see here in this can use serialized shuffle, we return true, which will lead to the use of unsafe shuffle writer for all the map partitions we have. Now we can safely check the result. In the second demo, I will use the old RDD abstraction to show you two things. The first thing is that it uses a partial aggregation, so the aggregation for which the map site combined flag will be true, which will invalidate the bypass merge writer, and also for which the support serialization method of the serializer, no, it's not this one. Yes, the support relocation of serialized object will be false because remember only the unsafe row serializer supports it every time. Cryo serializer supports it from time to time, depending on one configuration property. But anyway, let's run the code. And first, of course, we invalidate the bypass sort writer. And also we cannot use the unsafe writer because the Java serializer doesn't support objects relocation. And of course, we will go to the last choice to sort shuffle writer. And globally, it's not important for this demo because there is another demo on this sort shuffle writer. So as I said, it's very fast, but if you want to discover more details about the internal code, I invite you to the article which is linked in the description of this video, and also to watch and to read 2 other videos and articles on Apache Spark Shuffle writers. It was Bartosz Konieczny from waitingforcode.com. Thanks for watching.